Okay, so here we have our overwintered nuke.
And it's in a laundry bag. It's the only way I can describe it.
Yeah, they call it a nuke bag. It's basically a laundry bag, but the idea is that so bees aren't flying around in your car.
Which I really appreciated.
Yeah, although we ultimately didn't really need it. They're packed pretty well. And don't seem super, oh, you know what? There's honey in there. That's probably. Okay, so we put 2 frames of honey that we pulled from the failed hives from last year. We froze it.
We just pulled it out this morning, so they're just thawed.
But freezing gets rid of any kind of bad juju that might have been on there from last year. And this is our overwintered nuke.
Easy nuke.
So this is 5 frames of bees that overwintered in the Northeast and theoretically are genetically more prepared for weather in New York. So let's see what we got. Yo, I'm gonna give them a couple puffs. They're pretty calm.
They're a lot calmer than the other ones. And they've been in here for a while. They're kind of, you can see they're stuck.
Yep, they've got a home, so we're gonna give them just a little bit of smoke. Give them a second. They'll be like, hey, what's that about? We don't have a ton of smoke anyway. Okay, and then we're just gonna move them over. We are gonna look for the queen as we move them, and we're gonna put them back in the same order that we take them out, so that they don't get disoriented.
So that is the frame that has the queen on it. She's beautiful.
So she's a year old. So she was hatched last year because she's red. Now, got some brood.
Oh, look at them.
Some really nice brood. Right in.
Got just enough space for the last 2.
I want to grab another box out of the garage because I want to put the feeder on top. I forgot to do that.
This bee is like, fuck the rest of those bees. Oh, no. All right. Apparently he was like, fuck me. This is going to be our happy hive.
Let's hope so. So that they've got a top feeder on. And we're going to close up their opening. I think that's closed. I never know. For now, because it's cold. Not hard things with an ant on the
Feeder.
top. Oh, did you get it?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, little lady. What do you think about going home? There you go. No?
No.